Hi, I'm Sandra and this is my little brother Mike. Tomorrow is December 6th, St. Nicholas Day. So I'm about to make St. Nick's favorite treat, puppy chow and chocolate chips. We don't have any.
Wow, we only going over, sister.
Then you aren't getting any puppy chow, brother. Okay, we're only going shopping for the chocolate chips. We got everything on this planet but chocolate chips.
Hey, it's Megan. I was just at the grocery store and they were having a great deal on chocolate chips. I got 10 bags. It's enough to last until Christmas.
I wanted to thank you for the yummy recipe.
Hey, thank you for the chocolate chips.